Hi, so today we're presenting about multiculturalism and cultural diversity. Our group member will be Chen Honglu, Naruton, Ting-Chien and Kavisara. So what is multiculturalism? Multiculturalism is when multiple cultural traditions are not only accepted in society but also promoted, meaning that the people, they accept the cultural differences and they also implement it, use it, and respect them. As we can see here, there are three main parts, which is the understanding. They understand the cultural difference from each person, and the inclusiveness, which means that they welcome them with heart warm, so they respect them. The last one, they respect them. So these three things is within the multiculturalism. Next, what are some examples of the multiculturalism at Stanford? The first one would be the International and Chinese Bilingual Program. And in Stanford University, they provide us the international program and Chinese bilingual program. And sometimes they also provide Thai bilingual program for the students. And the second would be the understanding individuals' cultural differences and respecting as they are. And the third one would be the treating people fairly and equally, even they come from different culture. Next, so what is cultural diversity? Cultural diversity refers to differences that exist among the individuals. It would be such as the race, the sexual orientations, the religions, as shown here, and the ethnicity. So, what are some examples of the cultural diversity at Stanford University? So, for example of the cultural diversity would be that the language barrier, which is that the Stanford University have so many students, staff, and teachers who come from different parts of the world with different local language used it. And the second would be the religion. Of course, that there are various religion and belief systems that people in Stanford University are believes, and they are different from each other. And the third one would be sexual orientations, which they are different of sexual attraction to a person from one or another, or to the same gender. So from all these examples, each person in the university may have the same or different culture. However, due to the cultural diversity example that we shown, people will have their own culture, but they also acknowledge other person's culture without accepting their culture. So what is the difference between multiculturalism and the cultural diversity? So as we say, diversity is the differences that is shown, we acknowledge it, and the multiculturalism is the differences that is accepted. So we need diversity to help us with the policy to prevent discriminations, while multiculturalism can help us gain a deeper understanding of the differences between people. So actually, when we say diversity and multiculturalism, these two always stick together, and they are as much as important towards each other. We need diversity to help us to identify and specify the difference between the people, the cultures, and then we need multiculturalism to let us or the peoples to understand the cultural differences and accept them, respect the cultural differences that they are. Thank you.